The rose fold adds a whole nother dimension of elegance to your tailoring. They say roses are the key to making romance bloom. And if you're a little Leo who's looking to find his Kate, the rose fold may add a little extra something to date night. The rose fold showcases a beautiful spiraled rose in the crest of your pocket to make you look oh so handsome. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's jump in. Lay your pocket square face down. Create a circle with your hand and rest the pocket square on top. With 2 fingers, push the fabric through the circle. Twist the fabric around in a circular motion whilst reducing the size of your fist. Once you have created enough twisted pleats in the fabric, gently remove your bottom hand. Gather the remaining fabric together at the bottom and organize the fabric in twisted folds. Keep adjusting the fabric until you create a ruffled rose appearance. And now, place it in your pocket. All right, that's how we do the rose fold. Now, I hope you're as smooth as talking as you are at folding, Romeo. For our full range of pocket squares, check out OTAA.com. Now, hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.